concern in Rajasthan as well. From the capital city of Jaipur, let's tell you a little about Save Dol Ka Baad campaign. It's gaining traction as hundreds of protesters form a human chain to oppose the felling of 2,500 trees. Locals and activists unite against government bad construction that threatens the vital green lung of the city. Take a look at this report by India Today's Devankur from Ground Zero.
Hundreds of citizens of Jaipur, social activists, have gathered out here in the Dol Ka Baad area in a bid to save around 2,500 trees. You can see all of these people who have come over here have come together to ensure that the attempt to uproot trees is nullified, and they claim that the attempt to build a mall out here at the cost of around 2,500 trees and other projects is something which will not be acceptable to them, and that is why they have arrived out here. And you can see all of these people who have come from different parts of Jaipur and from outside Jaipur. We'll try to get in a few voices over here. What's your name?
Niharika.
Niharika, what do you think is the main agenda of all of you coming over here together? Do you think these trees are extremely important for ensuring ecological balance?
Yes, it is important because we are here to save this Dol Ka Baad forest, and this is the lungs of Jaipur. So it is important to save for Jaipur.
You can see all of these people who have arrived from different parts of Jaipur. Aapka kya naam hai? What do you think is the main purpose of you people coming together? Do you think it's imperative to save these trees?
Yes, the main purpose is that we have to save this forest, and it is a really good social cause.
Well, you can see all of these people, social activists who have arrived out here. Sir, यहाँ पर आप आए हुए हैं, ये दावा किया जा रहा था कि ये जो डोल का बाढ़ का इलाका है इसको बचाना बेहद ज़रूरी है। क्या आपको लगता है, क्या वजह है आपके हिसाब से कि यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट के बावजूद सरकार जो है वो चाह रही थी पीएम यूनिटी मॉल बने, अलग जो उसके अलावा प्रोजेक्ट्स?
हम लोग जो है जल जीवन बोलते हैं, वन जीवन बोलते हैं। अगर ये जंगल ही कट जाएंगे तो ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आएगी? क्या हमने कोविड-19 नहीं देखा है? लाशें जाती हुई नहीं देखी हैं? ऑक्सीजन के सिलेंडर नहीं मिल रहे थे? यही तो वो ऑक्सीजन हमें चाहिए, और हमें ही नहीं चाहिए बल्कि पूरी दुनिया को चाहिए, पूरे भारत को चाहिए, पूरे जयपुर को चाहिए.
All of these activists have gathered out here in the Dol Ka Baad area and want to convey their voice to ensure that the government does not continue with its attempt to uproot these trees. This is the Dol Ka Baad green cover area in south of Jaipur, and these activists claim is extremely crucial to ensure that these trees are not uprooted, to ensure that ecological balance is maintained, to ensure that clean air is available for the people of Jaipur. With camera person Manish, Devankur Wadhawan in Jaipur for India Today.